how to upload video on Facebook page. So first, go to your Facebook page, and then once you're there, you just need to tap on the plus icon here at the top, and then you can just tap on post. Now here, you just need to tap on photo and video here. Now select your video. Now here, you just need to type in your caption, and then once you're done editing all of the details that you want on your video, you just need to tap on next here at the top right. Okay. Now here, you just need to customize so you can see this. Whether you want to schedule it or add a poll, whatever you want. You can also add title and the description of the video, and then you can just tap on share now. Okay. Now, if you want to see your video, you can just tap on your profile. And so you can see, now the video is here on your page. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.